So we just launched our Alpha series. So basically, this is our Windows Phone and tablet lineup.
Alpha series. That's a new name, right? For Cherry Mobile. Cherry Mobile Alpha, pretty much.
Mobile Alpha.
And what kind of products do you have on Cherry Mobile
On the
Alpha?
Alpha series, we have 2 smartphones and 2 tablets.
Okay.
So the first smartphone is actually our 4-inch quad-core Snapdragon processor. So they actually call this the Alpha style. So it runs on, of course, Windows 8.1 processor,
So this is not Android,
not Android.
right? It's running Windows Phone 8.1. It's Microsoft's smartphone operating system. It's a very smooth operating system, very fluid operating system. A lot of people like it, and this is running on that OS with its own app store and all that. What are the specs of this guy?
Okay, this has a 4-inch IPS screen. It has a 512 RAM and 4 gig internal storage. Of
Right.
course, it has a micro SD expansion slot up to 64 gig.
Right?
And then it has a 5 megapixel back camera with flash, and it has a VGA front camera.
Nice. So those are entry-level Windows Phone specs. They're very competitive in that entry-level spec. How much is this guy?
So this one is the most affordable Windows Phone in the market. So it's $2,999.
Wow. All right. So 2,999. The processor is quad-core, right?
Quad-core Snapdragon processor.
Wow. Nice. So it's quad-core Snapdragon processor, 4-inch IPS display, right?
Yes.
And 5 megapixel camera.
For $2,999.
Wow. Nice. So what is the name of this guy again?
Alpha style.
Alpha style. All right. So that's the first of your Windows phones. And the second one is?
The second one is slightly upgrade. on
This
the
looks
Windows
like
Phone.
another Android phone. This looks like a Omega Icon,
Yeah. So it's actually based on the Omega Icon ID.
right?
So it's a 5-inch HD display. Windows 8.1, of course. And
Really nice looking display.
yeah, so it has a 1 gig, 8 gig internal storage. For the camera, it
Quite a
has
lot of storage and micro SD, right?
yes, micro SD expansion slot. For camera, it has a 8 megapixel shooter with flash. And then for the front camera, it has a 2 megapixel camera for Skype calls, selfies.
Nice. What is the battery on this guy?
This one has a 2,000 milliampere battery.
Nice, pretty big. And I believe it is also scratch resistant.
It's Dragon Trail scratch resistant glass.
Nice. So this is a 5-inch HD Dragon Trail Windows Phone 8.1 quad-core device with an 8 megapixel camera. How much is this guy?
This one is cost only 4,993.
5,000 pesos. You're getting a quad-core
HD.
HD phone for 5,000 pesos. Windows Phone 8.1. Probably one of the most affordable HD Windows phones out there. Probably the most affordable Windows phone out there with the HD screen. Yeah. When is it going to be available? When are these phones going to be available?
The Alpha series phones will be available within the month.
Nice. All right. So September. Look out for these. These are the Alpha style and Alpha.
Lux.
Right. All right. Thank you.
So this is our 8-inch HD tablet. We call it the Alpha Play.
Uh-huh.
So basically, it's a 8-inch HD screen with 1 gig, 16 gig memory combination.
This is a tablet, but it doesn't look like an Android tablet.
Yeah, it's actually running on Windows 8.1.
Right. It's a Windows 8.1. It's not a Windows Phone 8.1. This is the complete Windows experience. You can install all of your Windows apps on this. This is a Windows PC.
Yes.
In a tablet form.
Yes.
In an 8-inch HD form factor, right?
Correct.
What other specs are these? Because obviously you already have a PC on an 8-inch tablet. What are we getting with this guy?
So you have, of course, it runs on an Intel quad-core processor.
Right.
And it's 1 gig, 16 gig memory. It has a
You can also go to the
Yeah, you can
desktop
go to
because
the
it is a
desktop.
full Windows PC.
Correct.
Right. You press the start button right there. Right. Yeah. It's a Windows PC. You can install all your Windows apps. This still has cameras, right?
Yeah, it has a 5 megapixel back camera and a 2 megapixel front camera.
Right. Actually, we can show. Can we show the back? The back of the tablet. It's actually the back of the tablet is actually metal, if I notice. Oh, there we go.
Also
So
comes
here's
in
the
a
white one. Yeah, here's the white one. I like the white version because you can definitely see the metal. There's the camera right there. And one thing I really like about these guys, I noticed there's a USB 3.0 port.
Yeah, it actually has a USB 3.0 port,
Right?
an HDMI port for
Right.
TV out, and a micro SD slot for extra storage.
Also dedicated power port,
Yeah,
power adapter port.
Yes.
Because some Windows tablets just use the USB, which basically makes charging really slow, and also you can't plug in any other USB devices at the same time. So this is the 8-inch tablet. What is the name again?
Alpha Play.
Alpha Play. How much is this guy?
This one is 7,999.
Wow. So you're getting an 8-inch full Windows
Full Windows 3.
PC and metal back, USB 3.0, and all that for
7,999. I forgot to
999.
mention that it will come with Office 365
Right.
free. for
So
1
you
year.
you can do all your documents, your presentations, and all that. Right. So that is the
Alpha Play.
Alpha Play. You also have a 10-inch one, right?
Yes, we actually have a 10-inch tablet. So actually, this is
A folio case. Nice. So it is a full 10-inch laptop right now.
Right now, it's a full 10-inch laptop. We call this product the Alpha Morph.
Uh-huh.
Morph because it actually is a laptop and you can actually take it out
Nice.
and become a full-fledged tablet.
So if you don't do that to your laptop, because your laptop will break, but this one you can actually pull it out of the keyboard and have it as a 10-inch tablet on its own.
Yeah.
And the keyboard, of course, works as intended. There's also a track, a touchpad,
Touchpad, yeah.
and it's multi-touch, right?
Yes, it's multi-touch.
Awesome. Tell us about the specs a little bit.
Yeah, so this runs on an Intel quad-core processor.
Mm-hmm.
Memory has 2 gig RAM, 32 gig internal storage.
Right.
Of course, it has a micro SD slot, so you can expand the memory.
Also has HDMI, right?
Also has HDMI and a USB OTG port.
Nice.
And of course, it comes with a keyboard, and it's also comes with Office 365 1-year subscription.
For your productivity stuff. So this 10-inch tablet with the keyboard, how much is it going to be?
It's going to be 11,900.
Nice. So full PC, full Windows PC, 11,999 with the keyboard and the touch with the 2 multi-touch pad. Really awesome tablets. Looking forward to see them in the market. When is it going to be available?
It's going to be available within the month, so within September.
Right. So, Windows 8 PCs, complete Windows 8 PCs with desktops and everything. Really cool. Thank you very much, sir.